A. Motor installation. Tighten the screw. B. Joinable track installation. Insert it into the hole of the track which with motor. Loosen the screws. Move the plate and align the center line of the plate with the seam. Tighten the screws. C. Side wall mounted installation. Punch position recommendation. Mark punch positions 14 in from each end of the track. Mark more punch positions every 19. 5. Keep the same distance according to track length. Determine the installation location. Mark the punch position for left side of track 14, recommended. Assemble the valance brackets, optional. Install the track. D. Ceiling mounted installation. Install track brackets. A minimum 6 flat wall space is necessary for punch position. Tips: need at least 3 screws, S2, to fix. Assemble the valance brackets, optional. Install the track. E. Vanes installation. Vertical blinds vanes installation. Shear vertical blinds vanes installation. Install the valance fabric. Install the slats from the side of motor. Install the valance fabric.